folks? Welcome and welcome back. So, it's your Jamaican friend here again once more. Love from hey, love from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, on today's episode, we'll be reacting to Morissette, Amon, Akin, Long. So, it's my very first time reacting to this. I don't know what to expect. So, let's have an experience of a lifetime because I know Morissette Amon is a very amazing singer. Take a walk with me. I'll be right back with y'all. Peace.
Wish 1075.
Bakit hindi mo maramdaman? Ikaw sa akin ay mahalaga. Ako sa'yo'y kaibigan lamang.
Guys, it's my very first time hearing this song. And it's also my very first time knowing of this language. I don't understand what language she's singing in, but I love her voice, so I'll continue to listen, guys. So if you guys have any idea of what this language is, please state it in the comments. I'll be looking forward for you guys comment.
Paano nga ba't di ko matanggap? At ako pa ba'y iibigin pa? Ang dinadasal, nakikiusap na lang. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang.
Guys, this makes me so happy. Wow. Wow, this makes me so rejoicing. This is what I call a good singing. Bro, I've known Morissette for quite some time now, and she never yet disappoints me. It doesn't matter what type of language she's singing in, bro, but she never ever disappoints. And this was recorded, let's see, 5 years ago, and that was 2018, guys. And it is hitting like it's just been recorded, bro. Good music never dies. It doesn't matter what the year it releases, it doesn't matter how long it takes to release, but good music will remain legendary.
Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang, at maghihintay hanggang akin ka na. Kilig na
Bro, I just love the way she sings. Her voice control is on point. She has some really good vocals, bro. And when I've heard Morissette sing, I think it's a song done by Bruno Mars, but it's a cover by Morissette. I'm not quite remembering what's the name of that song, but bro, she moves my heartbeat, bro. She's like one of those people who sing and takes away your breath. Like, it takes a while for you to come back to your regular self because she's just a person who steals your breath away. With every note she pulls, with every line she spill out in that song, it's just really mind blowing, guys.
At sa panaginip lamang nahahagkan, nayayakap ka, at ako pa ba'y iibigin pa? Ang dinadasal, makikiusap na lang. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. Ang dinadasal sa araw-araw, akin ka na lang.
Guys, this is so beautiful, guys. Perfect. This is perfect. This is so perfect. Morissette, I really do admire your singing. I really do admire the way you dressed, the way you carry yourself beautifully. I really do admire this so much. You are one of my inspiration. You are one of my admiration. I do admire you a lot. You are doing excellently. And you've never disappointed, as I stated earlier. And once I've heard this woman sing, it doesn't matter what she's singing, I have to move. I have to feel alive. I have to feel connected. Because that's what she's doing. She's connecting to her fans. She's connecting to who are listening to her. Sometimes it's not fans, sometimes it's not just average viewers, but everyone who can gravitate to her, guys. She's doing excellently.
Akin ka na lang at maghihintay hanggang akin ka na at ako pa ba'y ibigin pa?
Guys, that was mind blowing. That was mind blowing. I wasn't expecting that note. I wasn't even expecting that whistle. Bro, like, where the hell did that came from? Like, where the heck did that came from, bro? That was sick.
Ang dinadasal, makikiusap na lang. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. Oh, ang dinadasal sa araw-araw, at maghihintay hanggang akin ka na.
Bro, ain't no way she pulled that note from down across there to come right up at the front, guys. Like, bro, her breath control is perfect. I couldn't, as an average person, couldn't sing and hold my breath that long with a note. I would get so short of breath, guys. Like, that's not possible, bro. She's perfect at this, guys. Like, really do amaze me so much. Well done, Morissette. Well done. I really do like this. I really do respect this.
Wish exclusive on Wish 1075.
just when you thought you've heard it all, she just go ahead and give off that whistle. That's the whistle I do love. That's the whistle I admire about her so much, bro. That was heartwarming, breathtaking, and snow and soul snatching. Guys, thank you all so much for watching. And message to you, Morissette. You are amazing with what you're doing. Keep on doing it. Never stop. Thank you all so much for watching, guys. What are your thoughts on this? I'll see you next time around. Peace out, guys. Love from Jamaica. One love.